Planning a kitchen remodel in 2026 requires throwing out old price guides. With shifting economic factors, ensuring your budget aligns with current material and labor realities is crucial for a successful project. The baseline cost for renovations has permanently shifted. Online estimators from even 3 years ago are dangerously outdated, often underestimating true project costs by tens of thousands of dollars. While global supply chains have largely stabilized, inflation has set a new floor for material pricing. Everything from raw framing lumber to specialized cabinet hardware carries a higher base cost today. Cabinetry remains the largest single material expense. Whether you choose semi-custom factory builds or fully custom millwork, expect high-quality cabinets to consume nearly 40% of your total kitchen budget. Countertop preferences continue to drive budget increases. High-end engineered quartz and natural quartzite are the expected standard for 2026, requiring a significantly larger financial investment than older traditional materials. Appliance packages have evolved dramatically, with smart home integration and energy-efficient induction technology becoming the new standard. The baseline cost for a reliable, modern appliance suite is notably higher. Material costs are only half the equation. The ongoing shortage of highly skilled tradespeople means professional plumbers, electricians, and carpenters command premium, well-deserved wages for their essential expertise. Do not forget the invisible costs. Stricter 2026 building codes and local energy efficiency mandates often require more rigorous permitting processes, which directly increases the upfront administrative budget. Because labor and material costs sit at a premium, the traditional 20% contingency fund is more important than ever to safely absorb any hidden structural surprises behind your drywall. To maximize a tight budget, focus on preserving your kitchen's existing footprint. Keeping your plumbing, electrical, and gas lines in their original locations completely avoids the massive labor fees of structural reconfiguration. Ensure your dream kitchen is built on a realistic, modern financial foundation. For transparent pricing and expert home remodeling services, visit bvcontractors.com or call us at 479-903-1630.